I'm very open-minded and I love to meet new people and get in touch with them.
I'm excited to meet the other contestants as well.
I am excited to be a part of the AMELIE 2021 bootcamp.
Hiya, I'm Mona. I'm 19 years old and from the United Kingdom. I'm so excited for Elite Model Look this year and I can't wait to learn and experience new things.
It's a new challenge for me and the starting point of my modeling career.
People enjoy working with me and I love the camera, I love the catwalk, I'm very social, I like to travel and I never give up.
I'm really excited to be part of Elite Model Look because I see this opportunity a way to show people what can I bring to this industry.
I expect from this experience that I will learn more about catwalk, posing.
My name is VANESSA and I'm part of Finalists of Elite Model Look 2021. One of the best experiences I've had in this 2021.
Believing in your own beauty is something no one else can control. That is your power.
I feel like this is the one of the biggest opportunity for me to show out my skill, my talent, and my knowledge.
I'm excited to be the part of Elite Model Look 2021.
I'm excited about being a part of AMELIE 2021 bootcamp because it has been my wish for a long time and it's finally coming true.
I'm so excited to be part of the Elite Model Look World Final because not only is it an amazing platform, but I'm going to meet lots of interesting people from all over the world.
I dream big and I'm willing to work hard and pretty much do anything so I could get and achieve my dreams.
I am excited to be part of Elite Model Look 2021.
What I hope to gain from these adventures, of course, to maybe become a model.
I'm feeling so excited to be part of this because for me it's a very new totally experience and that cut my change forever.
I hope, of course, to have some job in modeling with this experience too.
This is the most prestigious modeling competition and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.